The biggest myth young people hear at 18, 19, or 20 is that going to university guarantees you a high-paying job. This belief is pushed by the education system and reinforced by parents who still think the world works the way it did decades ago. Maybe that idea worked once, but it doesn't fit today's reality. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying education is pointless. Many degrees are incredibly valuable, and university life is something you'll remember forever. But depending only on a degree to become wealthy, that's where things fall apart. This is why it's so important for students to build a side hustle, something small that can grow into a life-changing opportunity later. Personally, I couldn't afford university, and I wasn't exactly an academic genius either. But I always had side hustles. And eventually, those small hustles became multi-million-dollar businesses that completely changed my life. So today, I want to walk you through 7 side hustles students can start right now. Honestly, these apply to anyone in any country. And instead of repeating the same boring ideas everyone talks about, I'll give you real success stories and rate each hustle on how long it takes to learn, how much money you need, how hard it is to reach $1,000 a month. Let's talk side hustle. Number 1. Faceless short-form content. The first side hustle is faceless short-form content, one of the easiest and fastest ways to make money online. You don't need to show your face, you don't need a perfect voice, you don't need fancy equipment. All you need is consistency and content people find helpful or entertaining. One of my students made $4,000 a month posting simple, AI-generated videos in the finance niche. He never showed her face, never used her real voice, and didn't spend a single rupee on gear. Side hustle. 2. Freelance micro skills. The second side hustle is learning a micro skill and freelancing it. Micro skills are small tasks that don't take months to master. These include thumbnail design, caption writing, editing reels, voiceovers, or even rewriting scripts. One of my subscribers mastered only caption writing and now earns $700 a month from 3 clients. Side hustle. 3. AI assistance and automation. The third side hustle is providing AI automation services to small businesses. Most business owners have no idea how to use AI. They just want results. You can set up WhatsApp auto-replies, chatbot FAQs, email automation, or template systems. I know a 17-year-old who makes $1,500 a month doing just this for gyms and salons. Side hustle. 4. Social media management lite. The fourth side hustle is SMM Lite, managing social media for small creators or local shops. You don't need to manage everything, just basic posting, captions, and replies. I've seen college students earn 15,000 to 30,000 rupees per client with only 2 hours of work per day. Side hustle. 5. Digital product mini assets. The fifth side hustle is creating tiny digital products like templates, planners, guides, or prompts. These take 1 day to build but earn for months without extra work. One girl made 2 lakh rupees in 60 days selling just Notion templates. Side hustle. 6. Local lead generation. The sixth side hustle is finding leads for local businesses. For example, dentists, tutors, gyms, real estate agents, or coaching centers. You bring them customers, they pay you. Some people earn $3,000 a month using only Google Maps plus WhatsApp. Side hustle. 7. Skill plus content combo. The seventh side hustle is combining a skill with content creation. For example, editor teaching editing, coder teaching coding, designer teaching design. This builds credibility and can turn into a full-time income. So stop waiting for degrees, permission, or the perfect moment. Start something small today. Because the earlier you begin, the sooner life changes. Your future self will thank you.